Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain. Cardi B straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and I changed the game. It's my big bronze boogie, got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we poppin' rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance.
Hey everyone, it's me Patrice. I am back with another video and I recorded this look. You know, Cardi B just came out on the remix with Finesse with Finesse with Bruno Mars. Oh, I got this from Forever 21. I got these from Charlotte Russe. I got this from Charlotte Russe. I got this watch a long time ago. Where did I get this watch from? This is a Fossil watch. I think I stole it from my mom. I borrowed this jacket from a friend. I got this crop top from Forever 21 and this hat is from H&M. I recreated her look, so if you want to see how I created this look, then just continue watching. For this look, it looked like her brows were a little bit more round, so I had to conceal a little bit more of my brows up to kind of mimic the curve that she has, since my brows are a little bit more angled. Other than that, we gonna see how this goes. I have this Urban Luxe Cool To Go palette. There's two pinks in here. In Cardi's look, it looks like she has a variation of pink and it gets a little bit deeper. And then she has nude base color. So I'm gonna start with the outer corners and start with the pink. So now that my eyelids kind of mimic each other with the pink, she looks like she brushed it out a little bit with some brown. I'm going to try toning it down a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer to kind of give myself a little cut crease. So I'm going in with LA Girl's Toffee. Your album couldn't with one line. It's been 3 years since your last tear, but now I reappear. Your heart pumps fear to your gut. Did your girl's butt? I scraped it, shaped it. Now she won't strut. I smashed teeth off your beef, no relief. I step on stage, girls scream like I'm Keith. You won't be around that. And she looks like she brought the color all the way down into the tear duct. Then I'm gonna go back into the Urban Luxe Cool To Go palette. And I'm going to take this color right here and apply that to the area where I concealed. Time to burn to explore the flavor in your ear is the voice scout. I make all the rappers have doubts. You're with the wrong clan and then I'm gonna go ahead and take my blending brush. I'm going to blend everything together. Fugitive with 2 attempts. Jake's had no trace of the face. Now they drew a print. Though I'm innocent to proving guilty, I'ma try to get filthy. Purchase a club and start up a realty. For real, G, I'ma fulfill my dream. Now in this picture, it looks like Cardi's wings are super thick. So I'm going to try to recreate that right now. Got a crooked eye for the jakes. I want it all, armor on bins and endless papes. God's sake, what it you gotta do to make a $500,000 without the FBI catching feelings. Street dreams are made of these drop beamers and 300 dealers. Destiny is reaching the key. Everybody's looking for something. Street dreams are made of these. Shorties on their knees for players with big cheese. So now for my mascara, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Bliss Lash. So around Cardi B's eyes where she has the thicker liner, it looks like around her lash line is really dark. So I picked up these really thick Stardell lashes that I'm going to use. In the photo, Cardi also looks like she brought a little bit of maybe some black shadow down. So I'm going to apply some shadow to my lower lash line, just towards the outer corners though. Now, everything's going to start coming together. I'm going to highlight and contour my face. So I'm just going to take some of my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and I'm going to highlight right here and my nose, my cupid's bow, and I'm gonna blend that out. Then I'm going to take my LA Girl in Dark Cocoa and I'm going to contour and I'm going to buff that out. And I'm going to reverse contour right here and here and then blend that out. Then I'm going to take some Ben Nye and I'm going to set just to diminish some creasing throughout the day. Now, I usually like bronzy highlights, but I'm going to go in with this Lorac because it looks like her highlight is a little bit on the cooler side. So I'm going to dip into this Lorac. It's all crumbled up, don't judge me. And then I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to go in with this LA Girl glazed lip paint, and it starts off really wet, then it dries up. I'm going to let that dry, and in the meantime I'm just going to set my face. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you want to recreate it, then don't forget to tag me in your photos or whatever you have. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and hopefully I see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!